How do you choose a real estate agent? Kevin Bratch says, choosing the right real estate agent for your property. Talk to a lender before you hire a real estate agent. Get referrals from your network. Go with your gut feeling. Find an agent you can trust. Look for passion, conviction, and honesty. Make sure they offer adequate support. Look for strong core values. Find a compassionate agent who understands you. Track record and inventory. Seek clear lines of communication. InfoCB Jamaica says, people will sell or buy properties at least once in their lifetime, and finding a good real estate agent is a tough task. There are so many agents and brokers are present in the market, but selecting the best one is challenging. Things you need to consider while searching a real estate agent. You can search agents online and compare them. Get referrals from your friends and family. Search agents in your local area. Find agents who are authorized and have licenses for their work. Search experienced agents who have experience in the real estate sector. Trustworthy and honest. Boyka Robert says, love working with people, but there are always clients who may unintentionally cross the line. Here are a few simple protocols you can use while shopping for a home that will keep you out of hot water and on good terms with real estate agents. Especially your own agent. Very few real estate agents work on salary, and if they do, you probably don't want them. Most real estate agents are paid a commission. If an agent does not close a transaction, she does not get paid. Agents are highly motivated to do a good job for you. Agents are not public servants and do not work for free. Do not ask an agent to work for you if you intend to cut the agent out of your deal. Be respectful, use common courtesy, and don't expect an agent to drop what she is doing to run out and show you a home. You are probably not that agent's only prospect or client. And if you are, it's not a good sign. Do not make an appointment with an agent and then forget to show up. If you are running late, call and let your agent know when you expect to arrive. Just show respect. Thanks for watching our video on how do you choose a real estate agent.